right? But I agree. Some of you might be thinking कि I can't do drama. How many of you feel like कि ठीक है यार attention emotion होता होगा but मैं drama नहीं कर सकता हूँ. I don't want to be on a stage doing such kind of random things कि अरे गलत deck चल गया. थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठा सकते हैं? Perfect. Guys, I agree with that. You definitely should not do drama because from what I know, are you guys supposed to be like you guys are supposed to be founders and entrepreneurs and thought leaders, right? Could you do? Can I get a cheer? Yes. Perfect. Founders, thought leaders, world leaders, all kinds of these things, right? And definitely you want to become the world's most influential people like Elon and Sam. And definitely these guys never do drama. These guys are very, very serious people, right? Bang on the point, सिर्फ technology build करते हैं. And even our world leaders in the entire world, literally from India to US to Italy, हर कोई बहुत serious. वो लोग ड्रामा नहीं करते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है ना? So the point is, when we look at drama, we feel that, dude, serious people cannot do that shit, but that's what's happening in the world. We accept it or not. That's how the world is getting transformed. Drama की जब बात कर ही रहे, who is the most dramatic creator in the world? Okay, I hear Modi ji, I hear beer biceps. Anyone else? Kushna Kapila. और कौन है यार? Dramatic creators. Mostly same. कुछ और नाम यार थोड़ा सा. Let's Ankur Warikoo. Okay, we're going to talk about a couple of them. Dhruv Rathi. Okay. तो यार पहला spot तो of course beer biceps ने ले लिया. And of course,
बस भाई आपका दोस्त ही हूँ भाई बड़ा 100%. जहाँ से आप लोग निकले हो मैं भी वहीं से निकला हूँ. मतलब क्या
spirituality and all the things. The point being, कितने लोगों को ये cringe लगता है? Let's be honest. Can I get a cheer? Perfect. तो ठीक है यार, सब लोगों को ये definitely बहुत ज़्यादा cringe लगता है. तो जितने लोगों ने agree किया, let me ask you this question. What do you think? How much money does he make? 5 crore, 40 lakh. What else? He's worth 100 crores. Okay. 7 crore. एक random podcast की बात कर लेते हैं. From one podcast, how much would he make? Because that's what he does, right? Podcasting. Guys, some random numbers, please. 1 crore, 50 लाख, 5 लाख, 10 लाख. Guys, can we agree 15-20 लाख एवरेज मान लें? ठीक है, 15-20 लाख एवरेज मान लेते हैं. एंड बाय द वे इंडिया में एक एमबीए ग्रेड का पैकेज क्या होता है? टॉप कॉलेजेस 25-30-35 लाख, 30-35-40 लाख को बैठे थे ऑन एन एवरेज जो है ना, किसको इंसान लेके जा रहा है. वेल, जो हमने नंबर गैस किया या जो एमबीए का एवरेज पैकेज है उससे बहुत 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 ज्यादा बेयर बाइसेप्स एक पॉडकास्ट से बना रहा है. And imagine if he does 4 podcasts in a month and 52 podcasts in a year, शायद एक इंसान चाह के भी जो जिंदगी में पैसा ना बना पाए, वो एक साल में पैसा बनाता है. Now tell me about it. Do you think he cares कि यहाँ पे हम लोग बैठ के उसको cringe बोलते हैं? A lot of people think हम उसको डिस करके बहुत बड़े बन गए. Doesn't he knows that he is at the pinnacle of podcasting in the country? Doesn't he know कि यार मेरे बारे में लोग हंसेंगे, इसी से मेरी ब्रांडिंग है, इसीलिए लोग मेरे को जानते हैं. Isn't that what content is all about? कि ठीक है यार, घूम फिर के आप चाहे हंसो चाहे कुछ भी करो. तो अब मैं आप लोगों से सवाल पूछता हूँ कि if you get to make 1 crore from one podcast and essentially what 52 almost 200 crores in a year by doing this, would you want to do that?
Of course.
How many yeses, guys? Yes, चिल्ला दो थोड़ा सा.
Yes.
How many no's? Okay. Some people know, some people like ठीक है, I still want to keep my dignity, and some people like dignity फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, हंसी तो रहे हैं लोग, मैं वैल्यू ऐड कर रहा हूँ, बहुत लोगों की जिंदगी भी बदल रहा हूँ और मेरे को करना है. I don't mind. How is he making so much money? हाँ, ये सवाल. You guys have worked with different brands. You guys would start your own brands as well. Why do you think brands pay so much money? इतना पैसा एक एक पॉडकास्ट पे क्यों मिल रहा है? रीजन क्या है?
Visibility.
Visibility,
Distribution.
reach. What else?
Same audience.
Same audience. मतलब how has content creators become a centerpiece behind everything कि इतना पैसा खर्च हो रहा
Consumption of
Con-
content.
consumption of content, best marketing, anything else.
They act as their champions.
Too much clutter. Or for that matter, any content creator, how do we decide? How do we decide what kind of money is justified? कि इतना पैसा बनना चाहिए. Or let me rather ask a question. You know, there was a creator who was offered $1 billion for his channel. Mr. Beast. He was offered $1 billion for his channel. And he rejected. How many of you think that he was stupid to reject $1 billion all cash deal? I see not at all. Anyone who says that he was stupid? ठीक है, तो अगर वो स्टूपिड नहीं था कि मिस्टर बीस ने $1 बिलियन रिजेक्ट किया, कोई कैलकुलेशन होगी इसके पीछे कि क्यों आप लोग जो कह रहे हैं नॉट एट ऑल, व्हाई डू यू फील नॉट एट ऑल $1 बिलियन? इससे बहुत ज्यादा क्यों ऐसा लगता है आप लोगों को? कमा लेगा इवेंचुअली. मतलब फाइनेंशियल इक्वेशन क्या बनती है इस पे? कुछ तो नंबर्स होंगे. यू गाइस आर एमबीए ग्रेड्स, राइट? मतलब some kind of a financial mathematical model has to be there to justify this when you guys are so sure. We cannot be on a gut. Sorry? Regression analysis क्या निकल के आया उससे? नहीं, उसने नहीं किया क्योंकि डेटा के हिसाब से तो अगर आप वो कहोगे सिंपल किया इतना मल्टीपल लगा दो जितना रेवेन्यू, उस पे तो नहीं बन रहा है.
Mr. Beast recently turned
This is a
down
quick
a
video to
$1
see.
billion offer for his YouTube channel. He said maybe if it was 10 or 20 billion, I'd even consider it. Do you think that he made a bad call?
Let's do some basic math. His most viewed video is 293 million views. That's the $456,000 Squid Game Super Bowl commercial. You do 30 seconds. What are you paying? $5.2 million. And Super Bowl gets roughly 100 million views. He's got a total of 17 billion views. 17 billion views divided by 100 million, because that's what Super Bowl claims. So that's 170 times $5 million. His one channel alone has generated a minimum of $850 million, and I'm calculating only one commercial. And then added to all the other channels that he has, I think he's right. $10 to $20 billion is the right number.
10 से $20 बिलियन यार. एक कंटेंट क्रिएटर इंडिविजुअली इस वर्थ का हो सकता है. That's the one thing that we learn here. इंडिया और अब्रॉड दो एग्जांपल्स हमने देखे. एंड किसी ने क्रिंज की बात करने पे अंकुर वाले को का नाम लिया था. ठीक है, आई एम नॉट सेइंग इज क्रिंज गाइस, यू गाइस मेंशन. आपने लिया था? नहीं, आपसे पीछे तो बैठे हैं. एनीवेज, कितने लोग किताब दिख रही है यहाँ पे, डू एपिक शिट. किसी ने डू एपिक शिट खरीदी है यहाँ पे? एनीवन? ओके, वी हैव मल्टीपल पीपल. Are there people who ever just want to write a book? कि एक बेस्ट सेलिंग ऑथर बनना है बिल्कुल जिंदगी में. यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं जिनका ये ड्रीम है कभी ना कभी? Okay, a lot of people. So guys, Ankur Wali, who sold 25,000 books in 2 days. Do you know what is the criteria of calling yourself a best-selling author in India? कितनी किताबें बिकनी चाहिए? 10,000, 8,000?
10,000.
इसलिए सेशन में किसी ने बोला 10 मिलियन, तो 10 मिलियन नहीं होता है. 5 से 8,000 is a good number, and this guy was able to sell 25,000 books in 2 days, making him 1 crore plus. But क्या किताब में पैसा बनता है? Do you know how much margin do a creator gets or that an author gets by writing a book? 5%. 5 से 10% पैसा बनता है. तो फिर क्यों लिखता है इंसान किताब? Then why would someone want to sell a book?
Basically have their name forever, become immortal in some way.
To become immortal in some way, become a legend, have a name forever. What else? Personal branding. What else? Reputation. What else?
So marketing stunt.
Marketing stunt, of course. और क्या हो सकता है?
Build a cult.
Huh?
Cult. To build a cult.
To build a cult. Anything else guys that we can think of? कि किताब हम क्यों और लिखना चाहेंगे in the world of this digital era? We've all moved hyper digital. So what could be another reason that someone would want to write a book? ये सब चीजें ठीक है. और कुछ?
A very few percentage who are actually doing it just for the love of writing.
ठीक है. लव ऑफ राइटिंग वाले लोगों को साइड रख के इन लोगों पे आदत है.
It's a good way of networking with people.
Networking with people, okay. Something creating more tangible, yes. Create a tangible existence in people's lives. क्योंकि सोच के देखो, आप लोगों के घर में किस किस की फोटो होती है? पेरेंट्स की, खुद की, मैक्सिमम आपके भगवान की. अब साथ में आपके घर में कौन दिखते हैं? अश्नीर रोवर, अंकुर वारिकू, शरण हेगड़े. Getting a tangible existence in your home that anyone who walks by, who knows you, They also see them. They get to know that you are a fan of them. They get to have a placement in your home. That's what happens with books, and that's why people want to write books, and that's why you see a lot of content creators moving towards it. And the third thing that I wanted to come towards was, जो हमने partially starting में touch किया, is a single person $1 billion company. 30, 40 years ago, how many people did you need to create a $1 billion company? Guys? Random numbers. Thousands, 100,000, 10,000, somewhat of what? Yeah, now people are forming single person $1 billion companies. Otherwise, do you think someone without distribution, do you think they can compete with Red Bull? Red Bull category is the most difficult category because that brand has associated with themselves with the best of the best adventurous sports in the world. Branding ही वो है और उस space में घुस के फाड़ना, it's not something that everyone can do out there. When Pepsi tried to do this in India or the entire world, Sting launch करके 1/5 price पे launch करना पड़ा था यार उन्हें. Or even chocolates. Can you guys name some chocolate brands? Cadbury, 5-star, Kit Kat, Perk, Munch, Hershey's. Pretty much same since the day we were born. Pretty much same. Everything in the world has been changing. एक कैटेगरी है जिसमें हम आज भी वही कंज्यूम कर रहे हैं जो हम 10-15 साल पहले कर रहे थे. उसके अंदर Mr. Beast goes out and says that I'm going to compete head on. You cannot do these things without distribution, guys. Content, the reason we are here today is not that you want to become content creators. The idea is to build a distribution, to create a personal brand, to move things, to make money, to have eyeballs on us, to grab our attentions. That's the entire game of idea. The era of TikTokers have been gone, but we'll talk about it. But yes, still the statement. Some people said no. Achievement तो सब कुछ सीख गया. Everything is fine, but नहीं करना चाहता यार मैं ड्रामा. कितने लोग अभी भी यहाँ पे हैं? कि ठीक है मैं बना सकता हूँ $1 billion कंपनी शायद, but I don't want to freaking do ड्रामा यार. मेरे को नहीं करना है. तो गाइस ठीक है यार. नवल रविकांत और लेक्स फ्रीडमैन भी एग्जिस्ट करता है ना. कितने लोगों ने इनमें से किसी का नाम सुना? So all out of them, ये तो नहीं करते हैं ड्रामा. They still exist. The freaking serious people, or even let's say people like them. Lenny Richardson, who's the growth head of Airbnb, Apple Dunford, who sets the positioning with companies like Apple, Mark Andreessen, one of the biggest VCs in the entire world, Dr. K, Samir and Collins, they don't do drama. कितने लोगों को इसमें से 2 से भी ज्यादा नाम पता है यहाँ पे? I see a couple of people, okay. जो बाकी लोग बैठे हैं guys. What does this mean? Why do we don't know them? The essential point I'm trying to make is all kind of content exists. When you think ki content is only about TikTokers, the content is all about cringe, it does not happen that way. All kinds of things exist. The idea is, are you ready to consume that boring content? That's the first thing that you need to ask yourself, because ultimately you like cringe. That's what I get to understand when you tell me that you know the likes of Ranveer and everyone, and you want to call them cringe, but you do not know the likes of other people that we talked about. किसकी गलती है यार ये? ये एल्गोरिथम की गलती है, प्लेटफॉर्म की गलती है, या फिर हमारी गलती है that we are not looking at the right content? हमारी, right? So guys, that's the point. You can build a personal brand. You can do different things. आपको जाके रील्स पे डांस करने की, गाना गाने की, ट्रेंडिंग म्यूजिक की, नाचने की जरूरत नहीं है.